Hi guys, welcome to my channel Q&F Princess. Did you know that guys, your birth month have a special flower? Each and flowers holds a very unique meaning. Find your birth month guys. Before you're watching first time my channel, please subscribe my channel and support me. And also, this way you give the birthday present to get someone you love. It's a very thoughtfulness of your gift to your loved one guys. Your birth month is January, guys. Your birth month flower is carnation. You know what, guys? Or you know someone special to you, the person birthday is January, just present this carnation flower to them because each color of carnation have a special meaning. White means symbolize of pure love, pink says you are unforgettable person. So don't miss this type of thoughtful present to them. Hi February, your birth month flower is iris and violet. You know what guys, this meaning of flower is loyalty and faithfulness. Just present this flower to your loved one guys. And also this flower express the courage, faith and wisdom and friendship guys. Just give this flower, you know the person birthday is February. Give this iris and violet flower guys. Hi dears, your birth month is March. You know what the birth flower is? Daffodil. Daffodil cute name is Laukar. The flower meaning is new beginning, new birth, new happiness and joy. It's a symbolized meaning for them. Your loved one person birth month is March. Just present this thoughtful idea, this daffodil flower to them, start a new beginning and new journey. Okay guys, the next one, April. Your birth month is April. You know what the birth month flower is? Daisy and sweet pea. Cheerful daisy like pearling represent April birthdays guys, while they symbolize the beauty, innocence, love and purity. They can also mean April daisy, sweet pea is your birth month guys. It will never tell sweet pea is also birth flower of April. Look at the flower guys, it's really beautiful right? So present this flower to your loved one. It's quite romantic right? Okay, the next month is May. Your birth month flower of May is lily of the valley. You know what guys, your birth month flower is lily of the valley. Lilies of the valley with their sweet perfume guys, and also it create a celebrate mode and it's a meaning of humility and happiness. So your loved one birth month is May. Just present lily of the valley. It's nice, thoughtful to your loved one. You give this beautiful present to them. I think so. Okay guys, the next one is June. Your birth month flower is rose guys. You guys are using every color of rose. Red rose, yellow rose, white rose, pink rose, every color. And also you guys are using January birth month flower carnation also used in your birth month also guys. And red rose is significance of love and yellow is created jealousy to friendship. And every color of rose really attract everyone guys. You know your loved one person birthday is June, just present the beautiful rose to them. They will be definitely happy. Hi July guys, your birth month flower is larkspur and water lily. You know what guys, while pink color larkspur can symbolize of cool of the love and pure love, and purple one means fire love, and white larkspur means happy spirit guys. These pretty flowers of larkspur, look at the flowers guys, amazing beautiful. It's a birth month flower of July. And also water lily, it can symbolize of pure and open heart person guys. And your loved person birth month is July, just present larkspur and water lily. They definitely loved it. Hi August, You know what, guys? Your birth month flower is gladius. The beautiful meaning from gladius is remember me. Remember me is the message from gladius flower. And also another beautiful meaning is strength. Strength, it's a meaning of strength, guys, and integrity. The most important one, small story behind the gladius flower is in ancient time, those peoples are using gladius flower as a magical power. So they thought a gladius flower has some magical power in ancient time. Look at the flowers, guys. So much of colors, so many colors. It looks so beautiful. Your loved one birthday is August. Just present this gladius flower. Definitely your loved one is like it. Hi September. Your birth month is September. Your birth month flower is Aster. You know what, guys? The flower have a beautiful meaning, guys. The blooming aster symbolizes strong and powerful love. This is the meaning of birth flower for September. And also the another important meaning is faith and wisdom. The another important thing, guys. This flower is meaning of faith and wisdom, strong and powerful love. Your loved one person birth month is September. Just present Aster. Hi October, your birth month flower is marigold, guys. Marigold is the rich autumn colors, is symbolizing undying love. It means unconditional love and represent October month days, guys. And the smiling flowers guys also mean I'm thinking of you. I'm thinking of you as a special meaning came from marigold, guys. So your loved one birth month is October. Just present the beautiful marigold. They definitely love this present. Hi November, your birth month flower is Mom. You know what, guys? The beautiful meaning of the flower is innocent and purity, guys. This is one of the beautiful flower. It's specially prized by Japanese gardens, guys. They love the flowers so much. And another meaning of wild yellow one is its meaning of love. So your loved one birth month is November. Just present the beautiful flowers today. They definitely like it. Hi December, your birth month flower is so much of flower, guys. Narcissus, holly and poinsettia. Several plants represent your birth month, guys. It's like a holy happiness and good cheerful meaning. And February flowers also suitable to your birth month, guys. It's like you are faithfulness, honesty and truthful person, guys. This is the birth month of December. Your loved one person birth month is December. Just present the beautiful flower. They definitely like it, guys. Okay guys, thanks for watching, and also please subscribe my channel and support me. Spread green, say blue, and don't forget to love yourself, because you're not love yourself, you're not qualified for others' love. Have a good day guys. Bye bye.